You're still putting the shit brown on your eyes. Well, you should start putting color. We're back and we're doing another rainbow look. I'm leaving my brows like this. Are you out of your fucking mind? Now that's what I'm talking about. If you're thinking of putting on eyeshadow, I hope you're thinking about putting on an eyeshadow base. You're raw dog and color eyeshadow and you're like, why can't I see it? This is the palette of the month. This shade right here. I'm lying. I'm gonna put a little tape for one last piece of tape, so that worked out. They didn't let me cut it, so leave me alone. I'm gonna go into this black shade right here. You should grab a smaller brush, but I'm lazy. I'm gonna take this shade and take this shade and pack it on your lid. I have the smaller brush because it was starting to get funky. So we're just gonna create a cat eye shape with this black eyeshadow and take it all the way out. We like drama over here. Once you look like the Hamburglar in drag, we're gonna do some duochrome on the lid. I'm gonna start with pink for the red. I don't have red, okay? I don't want to hear it. It's going on. Popping the pink in the inner corner. Going in with the shade, it's actually gonna go on orange. Yeah, you see what I'm talking about. Looks fugly, but it's gonna come together. Because my name is Taylor and trust the process Gallo. Now we gotta go in with our yellow. Come on. Come on. Wiping my hands on my pants, and now I'm gonna go in with this green shade. You need this to give electrifying. What it's giving is terrifying. I think it could come together, but I gotta keep pounding shit on. Alright, so I basically grabbed every single shimmer I owned, and I went to fucking town. Looks like I finger popped a unicorn. I'll be right back. Alright, let's first remove the tape. Gorgeous. Oh, look at me. Taylor, why do you do your eyes first, then your face? This is why. This is why. My roommate pulled through with the rhinestones, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, we're all done, and yeah, you see the eyes? How's that for a rainbow, huh? We got the rainbow on the lid. We got the rhinestones. You know me, glitter, shimmer, gaudy. That's my name, gaudy bitch. There's no filter on, so don't even ask, okay? Don't get it twisted. But thank you for picking up the phone, and keep picking up the phone. What do you want to see next? So some of you put some photos in the comments. Keep doing that so I get some inspiration. Thank you. I love you, my whole bags. I'll talk to you in a bit, alright? I love you. Bye-bye. Your skin is fucked up. So is mine. Hey, ho bag, if you're new here, we pound that shit on. See, and I look like this and you think we're putting on a skin tint? The fuck out of here. If it's not a tacky primer, I don't want it. Now, because God forbid I had clear skin, we're gonna cover this with some full coverage concealer. Gotta give her a moment to dry down. You don't want it smearing. Because we're trying to cover this face, you need a full coverage foundation and a brush. Take her, get her out of here. I yell when I get passionate. Start with a little first. And yeah, this is a little for me. Now matching it to whatever's going on over here. We're matching it to our neck. Now that we got the perfect base, the catfish, we're gonna go in with some chocolate chip cookie contour. P. Louise, her shit smells like the bakery. Now I'm putting on a cream blush. I'm going in with a trio. I don't got time to be buying separate shit. Now to clean up and structure the face, it's like a reverse contour. We're doing it with our concealer. This is where I like the concealer, so make sure you take a screenshot. We're still using a brush. Smaller one though. Nice and little cute guy. Because we just blended out our concealer, you gotta take some powder very quick, guys. Immediately. This is the brush I use and I shove this shit. Just pack her on. I put the loose powder everywhere. Try it sometimes. Thank me later. For my routine, you could go be a dirty stay out and your face is still gonna be on. Because it's full coverage or nothing, you're gonna go in with your foundation powder. If you didn't hit pan on your favorite bronzer, you even like her. Most importantly, for Ozempi Nosy, you pinch your brush, you put it in your bronzer, you go on the side, and underneath. That's all. Back in with the blush. Repetitive. Before we go in with more powder, we gotta melt the powder. It makes sense. Do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. But in order to shapeshift, you need to go in with a brightening powder. You see the difference of the side with the brightening powder? Does it have flashback? It probably does. It was $1. I don't know about you, but my favorite part is popping back on my beauty mark. Call it anything else, you're gonna get one of these, I promise you. But I'm done threatening you. Let me go finish this shit. I'll be right back. Stay right there. Alrighty, we're all done. And yeah, what's cooking good looking? Me, because I'm on fire. Everything looks gorgeous. The eyes, the face, my hair. Silky, gorgeous hair. See how you put on a full coverage beater? Now I'm a bad bitch. You see that bitch in the beginning? I don't know her. Alright? Don't even ask me who that is because I said I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna top this one, so give me some ideas. Then keep picking up the phone when I call. I love you, Hobag, so fucking much. I'll knock you out. I love you so much. I gotta go. Bye-bye.